If you think being available all the time helps your career, you're wrong. Imagine what would happen if we weren't stuck wrangling 1,000 little tasks and seeing our biggest ideas being thwarted because we have no time to pursue them. I've distilled my more than 20 years of research into a single playbook that will help you escape the trap of busyness and show you how focused work can increase your odds of success. Every time you're interrupted, it can take up to 20 minutes for you to regain your focus. AI isn't your biggest threat. Distraction is. We're in the middle of a burnout crisis. Some people say a 60-hour-plus work week is the only way to get ahead. Watch my class and learn how wrong they are. I'm Cal Newport, and this is MasterClass.